If you want to quickly generate a professional sales page, Claude AI can help you write one in just a few minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a full sales page using Claude AI. First, I'll open Claude AI and start a new chat so I can give it a clear prompt for the task. Next, in the message box, I'll type a prompt asking Claude to write a sales page. For example, I'll type something like, write a high-converting sales page for an online course that teaches beginners how to start a dropshipping business. Include a headline, subheadline, benefits, features, testimonials, and a call to action. Then I'll press enter to send the prompt. Claude will now generate a complete sales page structure. Usually, it starts with a headline designed to grab attention, followed by a subheadline that explains the main value of the product. As I scroll down through the response, I can see sections like product benefits, key features, and sometimes even example testimonials and a call to action encouraging readers to buy or sign up. If I want to improve the sales page, I can ask Claude to refine it. For example, I might type, make the headline more persuasive, or rewrite this sales page in a more conversational tone. Claude will then update the content based on my request. I can also ask it to add more sections, such as FAQs, guarantees, or urgency elements like limited time offers. Once I'm happy with the result, I can simply copy the sales page text and paste it into my website builder, landing page tool, or document editor. And that's it, you've just used Claude AI to quickly generate a complete sales page. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple AI tutorials.